Fighter jets are among the fastest and most advanced machines ever built for military aviation.
Stealth shaping and specialized materials help reduce radar detection during certain missions.
Elite. Some advanced fighters can maintain very high speeds without continuously using afterburners.
Modern aircraft combine information from multiple sensors to improve pilot awareness.
Training prepares pilots to respond quickly during fast-moving air combat situations. Loyal wingman drones could assist pilots with reconnaissance, sensing, and other support tasks. Aircraft carriers extend air power far from land by operating high-performance fighter aircraft at sea.
Advanced navigation and sensors help pilots operate effectively in low-light conditions.
Future aircraft concepts may combine artificial intelligence, greater range, and improved teamwork with autonomous systems.
The future of air power will rely on innovation, advanced technology, and highly trained people working together.